The birthday party. A loud alarm clock woke up a girl in a dark barn. Her shirt was dirty, and a spider bit her finger. It was her 21st birthday. But she was not happy. I sent a letter and wished upon a star, but did not get one card. The girl cried. She only had herbs for food. She was starving. Her jar was empty, and her car, scarf, and skirt had big holes. The girl saw a bird. "Please, sir, help me twirl my life around. It is too hard." The bird felt bad for her. He was a good singer and had a plan. The bird sang a verse with a harp in a garden. "Help this girl." A butterfly and a teacher heard the harp. "Shh, let's go to the barn." They fixed the girl's car, skirt, scarf, and finger, and gave her water. "This is the best birthday party ever," cried the girl.